Okay, so here we have the very old rim lock on a door, but this door is standard thickness, so we can actually put a modern lock and knob set on this door. We're going to install a Schlage handset, so we'll see how this goes. Okay, so now the old rim lock is taken off the door, and we have to bore a big hole. Trouble is, that's a small hole over here, and how are you supposed to get something started that will not fall into the hole and so forth like that? Because a hole saw, you got to hold still somehow. I'll show you a trick. So, take your template, pretty much center it where the old hole is, then mark the front edge of the door with your pen, just like that. Okay, one thing you will have to do is take the hardware off of the outside of the door. Okay, this is the big trick. We've got 1/4-inch plywood with a couple old C-clamps just to hold something in place over here. So we're going to take our little mark right here with our template and mark where we want to put our hole on a fresh surface. So this is going to work out pretty good with a hole saw. So here I just took my template and made a mark. It's on the straight edge. Then I took my ruler and measured back to 2 3/8. Put that mark. Now I'm ready to make a hole with my hole saw. So now I can start my hole saw where I want to. Just pick up the hole saw, put it in place, and away we go. Okay, so I stopped right there just to show where the big hole, and you can see that it's just off center of that old hole right there where my drill bit is supposed to be, but my plywood paneling is holding my hole saw in the right place. Okay, so now you can see that we have the door drilled through. This old one split by the time I got it out of there. And now I have a nice clean hole for our brand new handset.